In this video guys ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba tumawag sa Jollibee hotline. So ang gamit natin ay TM, no? So subukan muna natin i-dial diretso yung 87000.
The number you have dialed is incorrect.
Okay, so incorrect po siya guys pag denial natin agad yung 87000. So lalagyan natin siya ng number sign 8 tapos 87000. So press number.
On the delivery, please be advised that our hotline, #87000, will cease operations on January 31, 2026. This call is recorded, and your personal information will be required to process your order. By continuing, you agree to our privacy notices and terms and conditions available on our website, order.jollibee.com. If you want to continue, please stay on the line. An agent will be in touch with you shortly.
Alright. So kausap na po yung agent guys.
You are currently on hold. Please be advised that our hotline, #87000, will cease.
We are experiencing a high volume of calls at the moment. We value your order and want you to enjoy your favorites. You may also place your orders by visiting our website
So as you can see guys, ganun lamang kadali no, kung paano tumawag sa 87000. So tinigil muna natin yung tawag or yung call natin kasi nakapila pa. Narinig din natin kanina na by January 31, 2026, the 87000 will cease its operation. Siguro magpo-focus na lang siguro yung Jollibee sa mobile apps, baka may dinevelop sila or sa website. Kasi baka napansin nila na yung 87000 ay kukonti lamang yung tumatawag. Pag tumatawag kasi guys, hindi rin accurate doon, di ba? Compared sa mobile application talaga na makikita mo yung mga menu. Okay? Doon kasi sa via call, para hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan ng mga agent nila kung ano yung order mo, kung ano yung, di ba? So I hope guys na nakatulong tong video na to. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe at ang notification bell.